Got my COSTWAY dryer. Got a washer down there too. I would suggest that you all buy this, buy the better vent as well. For me, I live in an apartment complex, so it makes a difference. Very deep inside. Bigger than what I expected. I have used the dryer multiple times already. And then, as they mentioned, there's a vent in the back. You can clean this. The filter is on the inside. Oh, let's put this right here. Look at that. I used the dryer a couple times, so the filtration system is great. For such a little dryer, you wouldn't think all this lint would come out of there. I'm actually gonna dump that. But, great dryer. Awesome review!